Hello guys and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we will learn about image alt text. So what is image alt text? So this is basically a text that is a few words that is applied to tag or images. So due to any reasons, if images fail to load, so the alt text appears. It is basically description for the image. So as you can see in this diagram, means in this photograph the image was not able to load, so it just showed that our diagram showing the website development process, as you can clearly view in this. So it helps in SEO. Now how it helps? Since search engines don't understand what exactly the graphics or image on your website represents, it is advisable to have alt text that search engines may crawl, because search engines don't know what you are doing in an image. So that's why it is always advisable to put image alt text, so that if the image fails to load, it may show down, and as it can help in image SEO also. So that's all for today's video. This video was very short, and meet you in the next video.